In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a label on Microsoft Outlook. Organizing your emails and calendar items in Microsoft Outlook becomes much easier when you use labels. Labels help you categorize information, making it simpler to locate important items quickly and keep your workspace neat and structured. This feature is especially useful if you manage multiple tasks or handle a large number of emails and events daily. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and make sure you are on the home page where your main dashboard is displayed. Once everything is loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you will find the Settings icon. Click on it to access the configuration options for your Outlook account. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Calendar option and select it. This will take you to the calendar-related settings where you can manage how your scheduling and organizational tools behave. After entering the Calendar section, continue by locating the View option. Click on the View section and then scroll down carefully through the available settings. As you move through the list, you will find the option to add a label. This is the feature that allows you to create custom labels for organizing your calendar items or related Outlook content. Once you find the Add Label option, click on it to begin creating your new label. A text field will appear where you can enter the name of your label. Choose a clear and meaningful name that represents the category or purpose you want to use it for, so it is easy to recognize later. After typing in the label name, simply confirm your entry to save it. Your new label will now be added and available for use within Outlook. You can apply it whenever you are organizing or categorizing your calendar items, helping you keep everything structured and easy to navigate. Using labels consistently can significantly improve your productivity, especially when managing multiple responsibilities. It allows you to visually separate different types of tasks and quickly identify what needs your attention. And that is how you add a label in Microsoft Outlook. This simple feature can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your time and organize your daily workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.